Collision warning radar, first introduced over 15 years ago, has not kept up with the needs of commercial fleets. Big blind spots, nuisance alerts, and false alarms put our communities at risk. Hoplo by Spartan is built for commercial fleets by defense engineers who helped build the radar systems that keep our F-18s in the air and our soldiers safe on the ground.
They're taking that similar technology and software and putting it into commercial vehicles to make them safer for the truck drivers themselves and everyone else around them.
You can't pull over an F-18 to fix something. So our guys understand how important it is to get this right. And you know, they're taking that same mentality, that same expertise, and taking it from the skies to the road.
Conventional radar's target fixation doesn't consider new objects entering driver blind spots. Hoplo's multi-zone object detection reports the closest object in each segment to improve situational awareness.
It allows the driver to have that sense of security when they're backing up, to make sure that that motorcycle or car that's sneaking up alongside of it is seen and is visible through the radar, even at short range.
Intuitive reporting on what's happening around the vehicle reduces blind spot collisions to protect your fleet, drivers, and the communities you serve.
We have this responsibility to do the best we can for our customers, whether it comes from safety devices to the best service to the best TMS systems. Without the drivers, our customers couldn't move anything, so they're the most important thing to us.
Smaller footprint, higher resolution, and seamless integration with existing vision systems. If you're interested in getting Hoplo on your fleet, contact us directly, and we can work with your OEM, trailer upfitter, or aftermarket reseller to get your fleet equipped with Spartan radar.